This crazy. It's
也是对我们有益的。雕刻的是男子正在读书，象征着一位有知识的人。
Remember the day we born and the day we die? Our life depends so much with the nature. They call it in Thailand me. Me means mother, a symbol of earth where we can find our foods and a better place for our accommodation. Though we are different nationalities, we are living together in this planet Earth, this world, right? And this is the only planet in the solar system that provided everything for human being to survive, nothing more. Can you find one? If you can find one, you tell me and I will go there together with you. The only planet in the solar system that provided everything for human being like you and me to survive, okay? Because we are in the nature's hall, we can see the sun figure here. The sun gives us day, light, heat, and energy. Without the sun, we cannot survive, even the animals and plants. On the left side, the moon figure, we have the high tide and the low tide of the sea. You know, the moon figure, the moon brings all the level of the sea. Okay? And we can see all the stars representing the 7 days of the big cycle. And according to Google, the 7 days of creation. You know? 6 days. According to Google, God made the heaven and earth 6 days, and He made human being in the 6 days. He provided everything before He created human. So, as a parent, if you want to marry, of course, we need to prepare everything, right? Physically, mentally, morally, materially. So when we have kids,